Hello from Nuremberg in Germany. I'm at the Embedded World exhibition and here at the Aero booth. I'm together with Robert Berg from Sunway Communication, and he will be introducing their exhibition highlights to us. Hello, Robert.
Hello, Jürgen.
Would you please introduce yourself, maybe your company and what you have on show here?
Sure, it's my pleasure. So my name is Robert Berg. I am the Vice President for European business of Sunway Communication. And we are a global company with revenues of 1.2 billion US dollars, working with consumer electronics giants, IoT, automotive, and we're selling products in RF connectivity, wireless charging, and mechatronic products. So what we're bringing to the show this year in Aero's booth is just a few of our highlights. So this year we are highlighting Ultra-Wideband. So we have developed a range of Ultra-Wideband products, modules, antennas, and tags, as well as an evaluation kit. So we're showcasing those here today, with also example applications and demos. So we have a door lock demo that we're showing, demonstrating smart access. And then we have, as a next product line, we have wireless charging, where we provide both on the receive end and on the transmit end products for integration by customers who make the devices. So that could be on the RX side, the receive end. It could be they make smartphones, they make industrial devices that need to be wirelessly charged. And then on the transmit side, it could be in the automotive segment. It could be those who integrate wireless charging into the vehicles. It could be also if you're developing a complete charger. And it could be that you are developing, for example, an interesting application is furniture makers who put wireless charging into the furniture. So when you go to a restaurant, you have your dinner, you just put your phone on the table and it's charged while you're eating. And then as a third product line that we're showing here this year is something that surprised me when I meet customers is that they often use simple C-clips when connecting from a PC board to, for example, an antenna or another PC board or another product that needs to be connected. They use these simple C-clips that have been used for ages. While we have had this patented O-shaped design for many years, and I'm surprised that people don't know about it, so we thought we'd bring it here. It's been used for many years by automotive, smartphone, many devices. So that's something that we're also showing here this year.
Thank you very much, Robert.
Thank you, my pleasure.